Well, just first, talk about repeating second year in a row. You were here last year and won. Is it different the second time around?
It's a different feeling because we know this feeling before. We're waiting for next weekend, ready for next weekend. Exciting week of practice. Only 2 teams practicing this week, so we're really excited.
And you're one of only 2 seniors, so it's going to be a little extra special, for you.
Being a senior makes it even more special. My last year winning Southern Mains and not going on to states again.
Now, just the fact that you guys came out, real strong with the press. I kind of expected that, and you had success doing that.
Yeah, we press every game. We never let down. If we run the score up, we put our second string in. We still keep it strong.
Did you feel like that was an advantage you could have on them, and really kind of force a lot of mistakes and things like that?
Yeah, we have great subs that can come in and relieve us for the hard work we do. So it's great having kids to be able to come off the bench.
And just going to talk about the growth of this team this year. And again, there's only 2 seniors on this team, so as much as everybody kind of thought that this was a veteran team coming back, it really wasn't when you look at it on paper. And class-wise, it's actually a fairly young team, but they've come a long way this year.
Yeah, we have 3 8th graders, 5 freshmen, but they all work hard in practice. They're the reason we're here right now because they push us hard in practice. So we're really thankful.
What is, as one of the seniors, what did you kind of try and do? Because obviously part of your responsibility was to be a leader and help bring these kids along and get them ready for this. Kind of what did you try and do in that role?
Being a positive leader is my main goal, as well as lead by example. Pushing in practice all the time, never letting down.
All right, Maddie. Thanks a lot.
Thank you.